Crab salad. For this salad we need 300 grams of crab meat, 5 eggs, 200 grams of Holland cheese, 150 grams of domestic mayonnaise. Boil crab 20 minutes. Peel the crab. Cut it in small parts. Put crab on the first floor of the serving plate. Put the layer of mayonnaise. Boil eggs around 10 minutes. Separate egg whites from yolks. Rub white eggs on grater. Put it on the second floor. Pour one more layer of mayonnaise. Rub the cheese. Put it to the third floor. Pour one more layer of mayonnaise. Decorate with yolks. Enjoy it. Bon appétit!